After discovering this trick, I just wash my toilet like this. I'm sure you'll thank me after today's tip. To begin our tip today, in a container we will add 300 milliliters of water, then in the same container we will add 3 tablespoons of detergent. We will mix well until dilute all the detergent, who will facilitate in removing dirt from your toilet, showing to be very useful when rubbing dirt. After using this house trick, I never stop doing. The smell is very good and helps a lot in your day-to-day, without much effort and without spending almost nothing. Now let's add a softener lid. The brand can be of your preference, and then we will mix again. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Cynthia Nathan from India. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To complement, we will also use Coca-Cola. Be sure to put in your tip, for sure will bring the effectiveness that you always looked for in conventional products. We will use 4 tablespoons and mix everything again very well. Show this tip to all your family members. I'm sure they will want to do it at their house too. We can already see that our mixture is different from the products sold in the market. To facilitate the use, we will put all the liquid in a spray bottle that will help at the time of application. We will use a funnel to avoid waste. I'm sure you have all the ingredients in your house. My visitors always ask me about the smell and cleanliness I have on my toilet. To use our tip, we will apply directly to the toilet and brush will remove all dirt. It is very easy to apply. I always have this product ready for use in my home. Tell me if you've ever done any cleaning tricks using Coca-Cola. You will surely be amazed at the effectiveness of this product. I hope this tip is useful in your daily cleaning. Tell me later what the result you had when using your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in the next video. Bye.